next concept is different forms of a straight line. Different forms of a straight line. So this is the next topic. So here first form number one is slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. So slope intercept form is the equation of the straight line. The equation of straight line with slope m, and y-intercept c. And y-intercept c can be written as y is equals to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. See, actually, to suppose on a plane, you take to draw a straight line, how many points we require? 2 points. If we have 2 points, we can draw a unique line. But if 2 points are there, how many circles we can draw through 2 points? Infinitely many circles we can draw. Yes or no? Infinitely many circles we can draw. But how many lines we can draw? Only one line we can draw. So means to represent a line, to completely specify a line, we need two quantities. Yes or no? Two quantities. Here, the inclination of the line, that is theta. If theta is the inclination, tangent of inclination, tan theta is slope. Here we need the inclination, and this c is y-intercept. Y-intercept means this c is, this is the tangent of the inclination, that is slope. So means suppose this is y-axis and x-axis. Here, to specify a line, we need two quantities. One quantity is what? This theta. What is this theta? The angle made by the line with the positive direction of x-axis. This is inclination. So tangent of the inclination is what? Slope. So next, what we need? Placement of the line. At what height it is placed on y-axis. Means this is the placement of the line. Yes or no? That is this length we need. We need the length which tells the placement of the line. This is what on y-axis x0. If you put x equal to 0 here, then what you get? C. So this distance is what? C. This is the placement of the line. So on a plane, if you have 2 points, we can draw a unique line. Here, to specify a line, we need two quantities. Yes or no? To completely specify a line, we need two quantities. Here, in this slope intercept form, what are those quantities? One is slope, another one is y-intercept. So if you know the slope and y-intercept, that is theta. Slope means inclination, theta and y-intercept, then we can uniquely determine the line. Now we will see the proof of this one. How do we derive this one? So for that one, what I do is, so this is, so y-axis and x-axis. So this is the straight line. So this is the straight line. So this line makes an angle theta with positive direction of x-axis. And this line placement is what? C units. That is on y-axis. This is y-axis. This one is x-axis. On y-axis, x is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to, suppose, C. This is the placement of the line. Now you take any point on the line Px comma y. Now what you do is from this px comma y, you drop the perpendicular on the x-axis. You drop the perpendicular. Next, from this point 0 comma c, you drop the perpendicular on this line. That is, let this point be some m, this point be n. So this angle is 90 degrees, this angle is also 90 degrees, this is origin. Now what is this distance? OM distance is x. This, therefore this distance, suppose you call this as q, therefore qn distance is also equal to, sorry, x, not c. So this distance is x. Now this angle is also theta. Now this total distance is equal to what? That is pm distance is equal to y, and mn distance is nothing but c. Therefore pn distance, this distance is equal to what? Y minus c. So this distance is y minus c. Now from this right angle triangle, so which right angle triangle? That QPN, Q, this right angle triangle, that is QPN right angle. From this right angle triangle, what can we write? Tan theta is equals to, from right triangle, what is the triangle? PNQ. From right triangle, tan theta is equals to what? Opposite by adjacent, that is PN distance by QN distance. So what is PN distance? Y minus c, and QN distance is x. Therefore tan theta is equal to y minus x. What is tan theta? Slope of the line. Therefore m is equal to y minus c by x. That implies y minus c is equals to mx. Therefore y is equals to mx plus c. So this is the proof. So this is the line which is having m as the slope, that is theta is the angle made by the line with the positive direction of x-axis, and y-intercept is c. That's why we call this as slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form. So this is y is equal to mx plus c. Here, what is this m? M is the slope of the line. Slope of line. So this c is y-intercept. C is y-intercept. Here tan theta is equal to slope, already we have written. So example for this line is, example number 1. Suppose y is equals to some 4x minus 7. So y is equal to 4x minus 7. How will be the line? We will see. Y is m is equal to tan theta is equal to 4. So 4 is positive. So 4 is positive means tan theta is positive. Tan theta is positive means theta is acute angle. Yes or no? So theta is acute angle. So theta is less than pi by 2. Less than pi by 2. Therefore acute angle. So on what is the y-intercept here? Y-intercept is what here? C. C is equal to what? Minus 7. This is y-intercept. Y-intercept. So how we locate? Right. Next. So y-intercept is what here? Minus 7. Therefore, where the line intersect the y-axis? Minus 7. That is, suppose this is 0 comma minus 7, and slope is what? Less than 90 degrees. Slope is less than 90 degrees. So less than 90 degrees and passes through 0 comma minus c means how will be the line? So line will be like this, because acute angle, it makes an acute angle with the positive direction of x-axis. So this angle is acute angle. So now where this line intersect the x-axis? How do we know? On x-axis y is equal to 0. You put. So y is equal to, line is what, 4x minus 7. So where it intersect the x-axis, to know that one, what you do on x-axis, y is equal to what, 0. If you put y is equal to 0 here, then what you get, 0 is equal to 4x minus 7, x is equals to what, 7 by 4. Therefore this point is what, 7 by 4 comma 0, 7 by 4 comma 0. So this is the line y is equals to 4x minus 7, 4x minus 7. So one more example we'll see. One more line we take, that is, suppose, next question is, suppose phi is equals to minus, y is equal to minus x plus, suppose minus x plus 5. Suppose this is the question. Now here m is equal to what, minus 1. Slope, m means tan theta. Tan theta is equal to minus 1. What is theta? Theta belongs to closed 0 to open pi only for inclination. So theta is equal to 135 degrees. Tan 135, that is tan 90 plus 45, that is minus cot 45. So minus 1. Therefore, and C, y-intercept is equal to what? 5. Then how will be the line? So line will be like this. This is y-axis and x-axis. Where it intercept, y-intercept is what here? 0 comma 5. Therefore, this 0 comma 5. And angle is obtuse angle, because this is tan theta is minus 1, obtuse angle. Therefore, the line will be like this. Orientation of the line will be like this. The orientation is like this. That is, this angle is 135 degrees. 135 degrees. So this one is 90 degrees. So these are, so therefore this is the line y is equal to what? Minus x plus 5. Minus x plus 5. So clear this example?
Yes.
Right. So now suppose this line passes through the origin. Note if y is equal to mx plus c passes through the origin, then its equation would be what? Y is equals to mx. Yes or no? Because
Yes.
x equal to 0, corresponding y equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to mx. Therefore, the line which passes to the origin will be of the form y is equal to mx. So examples, simple example we take. Y is equal to, suppose, 3x. It's acute angle. So because 3 is positive, therefore line will be like this. Example. Suppose y is equals to minus 4x, obtuse angle. That's why the line will be, so here line will be like this. Okay. So this is y is equal to 3x line. This is y is equal to 4x minus 4x line, obtuse angle. In both the cases, the line passes through the origin. Here acute angle, here obtuse angle. So this is one note. Next point is next form is form number 2. This is slope intercept form. Next form number 2 is 2 intercept form. 2 intercept form or intercept form. intercept form. Equation of a line with x-intercept is a, with x-intercept a and y-intercept b. Y-intercept b can be given as, can be written as y-intercept b, positive b, written as x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Here x-intercept is a, y-intercept is b. Means x-intercept is a means this line intersect the x-axis at a comma 0. Y-intercept b means intersect the y-axis at 0 comma b. So to prove it, what you do is, see, already we derived the slope intercept form. So with the help of that slope intercept form only, we will derive this x by a plus y by b equal to 1, that is 2 intercept form. So to derive it, so what I do is, so this is y-axis and x-axis. Now this is origin. So you take one line. So this is the given line. So we need to derive this line equation in intercept form. So here x-intercept is a, means the line is intersecting the x-axis at a units distance from the origin. Therefore, this is, suppose capital A is equal to a comma 0, and it intercept the y-axis at b units distance. Therefore, b is 0 comma b, 0 comma b. Now we need to express this line in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. To prove that one, what I do is, so this angle is 90 degrees, pi by 2. Let this angle be some phi, and this angle, that is angle made by the line with the positive direction of x-axis, you take this as theta. So here also you can uniquely determine the line with the help of two quantities. In previous one, what are the quantities here? One is inclination, yes or no? One is inclination, and another one is what? Placement of the line. See here, inclination, here two quantities, inclination and placement. If you know these two quantities, you can write the straight line equation. Uniquely you can determine the equation of the straight line. In a similar manner, here also, here to determine the straight line uniquely, here also we need two quantities. One is what? This a, that is placement of the line, where the line intersect the x-axis, means at which distance, at what distance from origin, a unit distance, and placement of the line on y-axis, b units. Here also two distances. In previous one inclination and another one is placement. Here both are placements only, placement on x-axis and placement on y-axis, two quantities. So here with the help of the previous form, that is form 1, we derive this one. So here from right triangle, what I do is, here from right triangle, from right angled triangle OAB, from right triangle OAB, what is tan phi? Tan phi is opposite by adjacent, that is opposite, b by a, opposite by adjacent. Tan phi is b by a. This is tan phi. But we need tan theta, because theta is the inclination, we need the slope. Slope is equal to what? Tan theta. So now m is equal to slope tan theta. We need this tan theta. So m is equals to tan theta, that is slope. So here we know that from this one, theta plus phi will be equal to 180 degrees or pi radians. We know that theta plus phi is equal to pi. We need theta. Theta is equal to pi minus phi. So you put here in tan theta. Then slope is equal to what? From here, slope is equals to tan of pi minus phi. Tan 180 minus theta is minus tan theta. That's why minus tan phi here. Already we know tan phi. Tan phi is what? B by A. That is equal slope of the line is what? Minus B by A. So we got the slope of the line. Yes or no? Slope of the line. That is minus B by A. And yes, slope we got. Now what is the placement of the line on y-axis? B units. Here what is y-intercept? B. Therefore this is y-intercept. So here y-intercept is B. Y-intercept is equal to B. Now we can write the equation of the straight line in point slope intercept form. So we know that the equation of the line in slope intercept form, y is equal to mx plus c. Here in place of m, what is there? Minus b by a. In place of c, the placement is b here. Therefore required line is, so required line is required line is y is equal to m. In place of m, minus b by a. Y is equal to mx plus c. Placement is what here? B. Now this is equals to y is equal to minus bx plus ab by a. That implies ay is equal to minus bx plus ab. That implies bx plus ay is equal to ab. Divide throughout with ab. Then what to get? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is the proof. Here x-intercept is a and y-intercept is b. With the help of slope intercept form, we derived the intercept form. Find the equation of a line. Find the equation of the line with x-intercept is some minus 3 and y-intercept is 5. So straightforward solution directly. Answer is what? X by minus 3, x-intercept, y by 5 is equal to 1. This is the answer. So now how to draw the diagram? So y-axis and x-axis. So x-intercept is minus 3. Where the line intersects the x-axis? At minus 3 here. And y-intercept is 5. X-intercept is minus 3. Yeah, y-intercept is 5 positive. Sorry, here. So this point. So suppose this is x-axis y0. Therefore, this is minus 3 comma 0. This one is 0 comma 5. Therefore, the required line is what? Required line is this one. So this is the required line. So this is x by minus 3 plus y by 5 is equals to 1.